Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nomadics. My name is Olivia, and if you watched the previous video, I spent a lot of time picking out paint color, and I have just gone and bought 3 different cans of paint. I've come to a decision. The lady at Home Depot really helped me out, but to start, we have this fennel seed for the cabinets. It's like a muted green that I wanted, and it's like it's not too green, it's not too bright, but it's not too dull. It's exactly what I wanted. And that paired with this Hoynd white for trim, so it'd be like the trim around the windows when we have trim around the windows. That is what's going to be painted white. I also think I'm going to paint those exit doors, like that far back door, and the one over there is going to be painted this white as well. And now I'm starting with painting those back walls, and I'm going to paint those walls this lentil color. So they all contrast pretty nicely. This one's more like a mauve color. Mauve. And yeah, I think this will be like our bedroom color, trim, and cabinets. I know you can't probably see this color that well in this lighting. It's a little shadowy in here, but it's a very light mauve color, and I think it looks really good. I'm imagining like the trim compared to it. I like it, like the trim around the windows. I'm working on finishing up this cabinet because it's gonna get cut into to install our water heater in the back, like through the side of the bus. This is all cut. It just needs to be painted and put the hinges on. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Wait, I love it. It looks good, right? If you have an opinion, please comment and tell me what color you think either would like contrast well with this color, because I could totally do different colors for my cabinets. They don't all, and there's a lot of cabinets. They don't all need to be this color. The cabinet is done. I really love the color. It's like an olive or sage green. I honestly can't really tell. It's exactly what I wanted. Another day of bus work. A lot is getting done. And not exactly what I had planned that would get done today. Last night at like 9 o'clock, Lucas and I are in bed and we're like, we need floors. We need some laminate flooring. We went to Lowe's and bought exactly what we were looking for. We found the right color and it wasn't crazy expensive. I'm gonna install some floors today. It's a new day and another day of bus work. As you can see, I've got the floors in, pretty much almost done. It took me from like noon yesterday to 8 p.m. to finish all of this. I mean, I maybe have like 3 more boards to put in and then the bus steps as well. But this is crazy how fast I did it. I'm like pretty impressed with my body, although I'm quite sore today and my knees hurt. If you've ever done flooring, you know, your knees, you're bending down, your knees hurt so bad the next day. I'm so out of it this morning. I knew I was not gonna want to do this today, so I tried to get as much done as I could yesterday. And yeah, I'm not feeling. And just go in, please. We don't need to make this more complicated than it already is. Oh my goodness. The last step piece it's all done. So what I'm building right now is 2 walls of a closet. Now this closet is going to be between the bedroom area and the fridge kitchen area, so it helps separate the spaces, and it's right across from where the shower is going to be. So this is like 29.25 inches wide, and I'll have probably a 3/4 inch door, so 30 inches total in depth. And it's like 20 inches wide. It's a pretty big closet, but you know, we need the space. When I was pressure washing up here, I could see water going through this side. And when I went into the bus, there was like a puddle on the plywood, which is not good. So I'm just making sure that this is all sealed. And I can see over here, there's like a little hole where the skylight's like kind of bumped up and water can just go through. So I'm sealing this up. We don't have any more clear adhesive, so I'm using white adhesive, which works because the bus roof is white. I'm gonna leave it like this, and then the next time it rains or the next time I'm up here with a pressure washer, we'll see if it leaks. I'm standing in what feels like a brand new bus. I mean, the shell of this bus is like done. I've got the floors, I've got a bathroom almost framed up, and plumbing has started. We've got back here our 75-gallon water tank. We had the pump, the water heater, the lines running up and over to where the shower is. I've got the shower, bottom of it framed out, and then our sink is gonna go right here. Why we're bringing the bus to the mechanic is because the fuel line is causing like us to basically stall. The fuel line is losing prime, so then we're stalling in the middle of the road when we use the brakes. So I'm concerned because we're on this road with construction and there's a lot of stops now that we have to go through, and probably at one of these stops we're gonna lose prime and he's gonna stall, and it's a heavily trafficked road. We were talking about how much this could cost. Now with the fuel line, it could cost anywhere from like $1,000 to $5,000, and I don't know what exactly is wrong with it. It's gonna be a pricey trip, but it's worth it. Obviously, now we can drive our bus when we get it back. When we're coming to a stop down a hill, this is where it usually happens with him losing power. Uh-oh, it's making some noises. My heart is like pounding. We made it. Bus. She's gonna get fixed.